Yeah, that wimpy steel antenna from the factory. How long will you have your Jeep before you bend your first one? Whether it be the car wash or out in the woods, that's a problem waiting to happen. Today's 2-Minute Tech Tuesday, we're going to show you how to swap it out for something a little bit better. I'm Tech Tim, and this is the Northridge Nation Do-It-Yourself Garage. To remove the factory antenna, you only need a 3/8 inch wrench. Turn it counterclockwise, and it lifts right out. So now that we got the factory antenna out, what are we going to put in there? Well, I've got some Rugged Ridge antennas. They're Reflex series that make multiple different sizes, from a little 6-inch stubby all the way up to a 21-inch, which is still quite a bit shorter than the factory 35-inch long antenna. These are flexible, and you'll still get plenty of reception on your radio. In your Rugged Ridge Reflex Antenna kit, you get 2 different adapters. For the JL and JT, we're going to use this fatty one here. Take your antenna adapter, screw it in about 4 turns, and then we're going to take the Rugged Ridge Reflex Antenna and screw it down, and then just go hand tight. And that's all there is to putting a flexible antenna on your JL or JT. So check the description box below for links to where you can get a flexible antenna for your Jeep. Until next time, thanks Northridge Nation. Now I was just told we still have time left on the clock, so I saw this on Max's Jeep. Yeah, you know what I'm thinking? And there we have it, 2 flexible antennas in less than 2 minutes. So again, till next time, thanks Northridge Nation. Okay, walk that one off, walk it off. All right.